Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE V40 Pro and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. If you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with those lines let's simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the recents. Now all you have to do is to simply tap on clear all. Let's go back to the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Sometimes your device will leave one app opened for some reason, I don't know why, but all you will have to do is to simply swipe it up. So let me open the Chrome, for example, and all you have to do is to swipe it up and you will close it manually. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.